Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we will take up a full recap, entire recap of the original Valmiki Ramana shlokas depicting the Lord Sri Ramchandra genealogy starting from Lord Sri Mahavishnu. So in my earlier three videos I gave you the lyrics also of the original Valmiki Ramana shlokas and explained the verbatim meanings. So today we will have the full recap of the original shlokas. So here I go. In this video I won't give you the lyrics because earlier in three videos I already given the lyrics. This is just to enjoy the brilliant poetry, fantastic poetry of great sage Valmiki, and is also as a devotion to Lord Sri Ramchandra. I am just giving these shlokas. You can recite these shlokas and enjoy wonderful poetry and devotion, and then enjoy Ramayana and great. So that is it. So here I go. Avyakta prabhavo brahma shashvato nitya avyayah tasmad marichis sanjagne mariche kashyapasrutah vivasvan kashyapajjagne manu vaivasvatasrutah manu prajapati purvam ikshvakustu manosrutah तमिक्ष्वाकुमयोध्यायां राजानं विद्धि पूर्वकम् इक्ष्वाकुस्तु सुतः श्रीमान् कुक्षिरित्येव विश्रुतः कुक्षेरात्मजः श्रीमान् विकुक्षिरुपपद्यत विकुक्षेस्तु महातेज बाणः पुत्रः प्रतापवान् बाणस्य तु महातेज अनरण्यः प्रतापवान् अनरण्यात् पृथुर्जज्ञे त्रिशङ्कुस्तु पृथोऽसुतः त्रिशङ्कोरभवत्पुत्रो दुन्धुमारो महायशाः दुन्धुमारान् महातेज युवानश्वो व्यजायत युवानश्वसुतस्त्वासीत् मान्धाता पृथिवीपतिः मान्धातस्तु सुतः श्रीमान् सुसन्धिरुपपद्यत सुसन्धेरपि द्वौ पुत्रौ ध्रुवसन्धिः प्रसेनजित् यशस्वी ध्रुवसन्धेस्तु भरतो नाम नामतः भरतात्तु महातेज असितो नाम जातवान् सह तेन गरेणैव जातः सगरो भवतु सगरस्यासमञ्जस्तु असमञ्ज तथा अंशुमान् दिलीपो अंशुमतः पुत्रो दिलीपस्य भगीरथः भगीरथात् ककुत्स्थोऽभूत् ककुत्स्थस्य रघुः सुतः रघोस्तु पुत्रस्तेजस्वी प्रवृद्धः पुरुषादकः कल्माषपादो ह्यभवत्तस्माज्जातश्च शङ्खणः सुदर्शनः शङ्खणस्य अग्निवर्णः सुदर्शनात् शीघ्रगत्वग्निवर्णस्य शीघ्रगस्य मरुस्सुतः मरोः प्रशुश्रुको भूत् प्रशुश्रुक अम्बरीषः प्रशुश्रुकात् अम्बरीषस्य पुत्रो भून्नहुषः पृथिवीपतिः नहुषस्य ययातिश्च नाभागस्तु ययातिजः नाभागस्य भुभुवाजः अजाद्दशरथो भवतु. So this is the beautiful description given. I have given all the original shlokas. So this is covered from the 70th Sarka of Balakandam, 25th to 44th shlokas I have covered. Rest two shlokas, 142 shlokas I will also recite and then conclude this video. So further two shlokas about Asmad Dasharatha Jatu Bhrataro Rama Lakshmano Adivamsha Vishuddhanam Ratnam Paramadharminam Ikshvakukulanyatanam Veeranam Satyavadinam Rama Lakshmanayorathe Tvatsute Varaye Nrupa. So I told you this King Dasharatha is asking King Janaka for his sons Rama and Lakshmana to be married to Janaka's daughters. So So this sarga concludes with the beautiful poetry. The quote I am quoting here: Sadushabhyam narashrestha sadushe datum arhasi. It is only among the equals. The equals can be marriage. The equals can be sought. So marital relations can be sought. So you should be just obliging. That is what he means. So Sadushabhyam Narashrestha Sadushe Datam Arhasi. So here I am wrapping up this video. So all the shlokas we are given. Wonderful poetry. We can enjoy this poetry, and by reading and studying Ramayana, we will get more punya, and all our sins will also be vanished, and all our benefits, all the benefits also we will get from the Lord. That is it. Harun Sufti, Jai Shri Ram. As usual, those who wish to avail my matrimonial services for nominal cost can catch me direct on 816233115. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. So this is it. I am wrapping up for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. This is Suhas Devi. Thank you. Hari Om Sukti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.